morning, guys. So it's our next day, official morning, and it's snowing. We are going for breakfast. Let me show you the weather quickly. It's snowing since last night, and you can see there is hot tubs in our hotel. Probably going to go there soon. Let me show you this tunnel that is coming over there. It's like a bridge which connects the wildlife. They can cross from that easily from one part to another. I really like this part. This is really a great concept. Let me show you now. And there is like ceilings as well, so that the animals cannot cross. We are here at Lake Louise. Can you see this is completely frozen? Doesn't that look like a wonder, like walking on a frozen lake? Can you imagine this? I have never. So let's see how beautiful the mountain looks like from here. It's sunny as well as it's very chilly outside. I think it's -5 degrees right now. Let me show you one cool thing. Do you see that? These are the benches. Like people really sit on it. Like, see, it's a bench, but it's completely covered with snow. I think this should be how much centimeter of snow? 5 or 10 at least for the benches only.
And
See,
for the lake, the whole lake is frozen. The people are walking. The
so
people.
cool.
I have never seen a frozen lake in my entire life.
Hey guys, now we are at this Emerald Lake, which is in BC. So this is also frozen. Let's go down. Well, as you can see, the lake is completely frozen. I think last week we checked some of our friends' page. The lake was absolutely stunning and was not frozen at all. I think weather changes drastically in Canada, as you all know. So you can see this weather now. I think it just got like weather changed because you can see it's still a little bit of water. Hey guys, I just want to let you know, please don't do this. Like somebody has literally thrown a water bottle in a lake. It's a provincial park and it's like wildlife. There are a lot of garbages over here where you can garbage your water bottles and whatnot. So
So
we
it's
are now at Natural Bridge, which is in Yoho National Park. I can hear the waterfall now, so let's go. This looks so beautiful. This is so unreal. Oh my god. Can't believe this. So we just found a little cute trail. It was just like a minute away from that bridge where we just came from. And you can literally see over here how beautiful this is. But please be very careful. The rocks are very steep. You can fall off very easily. You must be thinking what this pass is about. We will show you in the later video. So currently we are going to Banff Gondola. Let's take you over there. are going at that top.
So we are here on the gondola and we are going to the top of the mountain right now.
So I think this is like 15 to 20 minutes gondola one side. And let's see. Welcome to our mountain top. 7,486 feet above sea level. Wow, that's huge. So there is a small coffee shop located at Banff Gondola. So this is called Castle Mountain Coffee Company. You can see it's freshly brewed coffee, having some croissants at top. That would be more than enough. Now we are at the top of Banff Gondola. I think this is the last floor. You should must visit this place. It's very, very, very cold here. There is a point just over there. It's like 365 stairs if you want to go there. We are not going. Not that spontaneous at this moment because it's too chilly. You can see the three sisters over there, like the mountains peak. But I think this is also pretty good. So now I'll show you the back town. You can see it looks so small, but trust me, their downtown is superb as compared to all other cities. It has so many restaurants, good patios. You can enjoy your evening very good. I'm so sorry, my nose is red. It's very chilly here. Well, it's time to go back, but there is a small gift shop. Let's explore if they have some fridge magnets because I really love to explore these kind of local things. You can see there is lots of variety. I really like this soup set. Bath Canada. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Which color do you want? So at the top, we clicked one more photo. When we were at the bottom of the gondola, they clicked one more. It was like a picturized gondola with the mountains. Let's see how this one looks like. We will be seeing our pictures down. So see you.
ATV.
It's very cold outside. We are going out for dinner at
Dupo Italy.
Dupo Italian restaurant. So ending the day two over here. See you tomorrow.
So thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. If you have any comments, please leave in the comment box and see you in the next one.